In this video, I'm going to show you how to make chocolate bundt cake filled with chocolate ganache. To bake this cake in kadhai or pressure cooker, add some salt, place a stand, and then at medium flame you need to preheat your kadhai or pressure cooker for 10 to 15 minutes. Here I've taken a bundt cake mold which I've already greased with some oil. You can use oil or butter, and then dust with some maida or cocoa powder. I later realized that I should have dusted my pan with some cocoa powder. Now in a bowl, take 1.5 cup hot milk. Now add 1/4 cup dark chocolate and mix until the chocolate is dissolved in the milk. To this mixture, add 2 teaspoons synthetic white vinegar. If you do not have it, you can also use lemon juice. Keep it aside for 10 minutes and after that add 1/4 cup oil, 1 teaspoon vanilla essence. Mix it for a few seconds. Now add 2 cups all-purpose flour or maida. You can also mix the dry ingredients separately and add them gradually to the wet mixture. Now add 1 cup powdered sugar, 3 tablespoons cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon baking soda. Sift the dry ingredients and then mix them gently with a whisk or a spatula. If you want, you can also gradually add the dry ingredients. Because I've used the dark chocolate which is already sweetened, I used 1 cup powdered sugar, but you can also increase the amount of sugar. Now here I'm adding 1/4 cup dark chocolate chunks between the batter. It's optional, you can skip it if you want. If you want to bake it in a kadhai, you need to preheat it at medium flame for 10 minutes and then bake the cake. I baked this one in my OTG and you can see some white spots because I had used maida for dusting. That's why I said it's better if you use cocoa powder to dust the mold. Now cover the cake and let it cool down. And after that, take it out of the mold. So it has come out nice and soft. Now let's prepare the ganache. In a double boiler setup, you need to heat chocolate and fresh cream together. 200 gram chocolate and 300 ml fresh cream. We want a runny ganache, that is the reason this is the ratio which we are using. Keep gradually mixing till you get a smooth and shiny ganache like this. Let the ganache come down to room temperature and then you need to fill it in the bundt cake. Fill it inside, pour it on the cake, and it looks amazing. Final touches, I'm going to dust some cocoa powder on it. This is natural unsweetened cocoa powder, the regular one. If you do not want to do this, you can skip this step and the cake looks so amazing. Look at the chocolate ganache oozing out of the cake. Give this recipe a try. Let me know in the comment section if you liked it. Enjoy!